As technology advances, creating content becomes easier and better if you can use it for your advantage. Before, you needed to decorate your background, buy things, put things, buy lighting, ring light, and all those things before you can create a video and have a quality video that will be presentable to people. Because of that, some people get discouraged and kill the ideas that they had to release to the public. That really demoralizes everything. But today, with the help of AIs, you don't need to worry about your background, as you can literally record your video at any point in any place, and you use these AIs to generate backgrounds and put it in your video, and it would look so natural. For instance, this background you see is fake. Yes, it is fake. And I use AI tool to generate it, which I'm going to show you the process that you can get your own done too. And it's very easy. You don't need a laptop, so that you won't say, okay, if I have a system, I would have done it. With your smartphone, I'm using smartphone. Most of my tutorial is on smartphone, so I use smartphone to create content, so that those that do not have system, they will not worry about it. They will know that they can still use their smartphone to achieve the same thing that somebody that is using system to achieve. Okay, so without wasting our time, I want to say, please, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, I want you to give me that subscription right now. Please click on it. If you have found value from this channel, please click on that subscription button right now. Turn on the notification bell. Please, please, please. Okay, thank you. I know you are a nice person. You have done that. Thank you very much. So let us proceed. Today, the AI tool we are going to use is called Bing, text to image. So we are going to use Bing website, and we are going to use their text to image AI to achieve this. So without wasting our time, let us dive right into it. To get started, you might need to have Bing app installed on your phone. So you go to your Play Store and type Bing, click on download and download it, and it will be installed on your phone automatically. So when it is installed on your phone, all you need to do is to open it. All right. So you click on it. This Bing is owned by Microsoft. So the next thing you want to do is to click on this image creator. Click on it, and it will say describe what you like. So you want to describe, here you have to be creative. You want to describe what you want here. So I will say when you are done with this, you click on join and create. So from here, you'll be asked to log in. You can use Google or you use your Microsoft account. So I have a Microsoft account, so I will use a Microsoft account to log in. So I have logged in. Then I'll go back. The thing is wiped off. I should have clicked on join and create before even typing my prompt. So take note of that. It was a mistake. You need to start again to type your command. So I would start. Okay, full stop. Then you click on create. When you are signing up, they will give you this 15 points. Each command you put, it will reduce, let's say 1 coins. Issued, they will reduce 1 coins. So this thing is ready. Our studio now, look at this. Is this not beautiful? Is this not beautiful? Is this not beautiful? So among all these, you can choose any of them. So let me say I like this more. So I click on it. I click on home. It will show download. I download. Let me even take this other one because I may need them. So if you are not satisfied, you can change the command, okay? Or you can still use the same command and click. It will give you something else. So we now exit. The next thing we want to do is, you see that the images are in square. So we don't need square. We need 16:9. 16:9. So the thing there is simple. How you can change that 1:1 to 16:9? You go to your Canva. If you don't know how to use Canva, watch this video and you will learn how to use Canva to design. So let's go to Canva and now open Canva. So I want to change the orientation of those images, okay? So I will now click on any of the images or template you see around. So this is an empty template. So all I need to do is to click on it like this, or you click on replace, or you click on the plus button. If you don't want to use replace, you click on the plus button, okay? And you click on gallery. It will bring you into your camera, okay? So now you choose the one you love most. So it is this one, okay? Select it. So now it is added. All you need to do is to click on the one end and drag, and click on this other end and drag to centralize it. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is to click on this effect. After you have clicked on the effect, the next thing you want to do is to click on this magic expand. All right, and you scroll and take 16:9. All right, and click on magic expand down here. You can see, and wait for the magic to happen. All right, you can see it extend. It even add window for us, which there was no window. All right, and you can see other options here. Okay, see other options. You can choose any one you like best. Okay, see this one. See the first one. See another of it. See another of it. So you just go through them and choose the one you best love. So I love this one. So what I want to do is to click on done. And we have our background in YouTube shape. So what I want to do is to click on this arrow. Increase the quality, the size, and I want to change it from PNG. Okay. I increase the quality and I download it. All right. That step is completed. All right. Done. We are done with this step. The next thing we want to do right now is to come to our CapCut and start the editing. All right, so I click on my CapCut. I click on the new project. I click on photos and I click on this. So you click on add, and here it is. It is believed that you have already recorded your video. So I don't need to ask you, did you record your video or not? It is believed that you recorded your video. So what you want to do right now is to click on this overlay and click on add overlay. Okay. And click on videos and now choose the video. All right. And click on add. It is added. The next thing you want to do is to click on the background and you expand it to the size of the video. The video is about 5 minutes, so
So I will take it to about 4 minutes, because when I start cutting the errors and other things, it will not be up to 5 minutes again. All right, I've extended. All right, let's stop here. So the next thing I want to do right now is to go back to the beginning of the video. All right, and I now start cutting it from where I started talking. I sat down. All right, I said, okay, so this is when I started, like, want to start talking. So I'll cut from here and I take out this other part. So I click on delete. Then I now hold this one down and drag it to the beginning. All right. So with this, you can now play it to see. All right. So now that I've cut it, the next thing I want to do is to click on it to highlight it like this. Then I will scroll and look for remove background. I click on auto remover, and that's it. The background is removed. So I click on done here, and you wait for it to load. It will take some time. It may take some minutes depending on the size of the video. It's almost done removing the background. We are ready, so you can play the video now. So I still need to work on it. If it looks like the background is too far from me, I can extend it like this by clicking on it like this and bringing it closer. Okay. I can extend it and bring those things closer to myself. Like this is okay. You can see it's okay like that by me. So the next thing I want to do right now is to start editing it. If you don't know how to edit, color grade and every other thing, watch this video. In that tutorial, I taught how you can color grade, how you can make your face. Like in this video, you can see I'm looking sweaty, I'm looking stressed. I will make it beautiful. So if you don't know how to edit your video and make it more professional, watch that video, because I don't need to repeat it here again. I don't need this video to be too long. Background closer a little again, though I needed that lighting up to show. Okay, so I think it's okay like this. Okay, all right, I'm fine like this. All right, so the next thing I want to do, maybe I will now go to stickers and look for YouTube logo or something. All right, so I don't want it to be too choke.
If you have found value from this channel, please click on that subscription button right now. Turn on the notification bell. Please, please, please. Okay, thank you. I know you are a nice person. You have done that. Thank you very much. So with this tutorial, you don't need to worry again about when you should gather money to buy ring light, gather money to buy all those things. Any day, just stand, face by your window or wherever. Use natural light and film yourself, irrespective of your background. Sometimes you want to use outside, but because the front of the place you want to use is not clean, and you're being discouraged, and you wait for light to come inside, and when light comes inside, the light quality is not good enough for the video, and you get discouraged. So right now, with this tutorial, you'll be able to stand almost any way and do your recording. And after that, you come in, use CapCut and change the background. Use this AI image that I'm showing you and generate any background of your choice. Just give it the command and it will obey you. You generate any background and you use it. and you have your own fake studio like every other person, and nobody will know if you don't tell them that it is fake because it's almost natural. Okay, so let us make use of this technology for our advantage. Okay, please just click on that subscription button if you are still not subscribed. For watching to this point, it means that you like this content. Do me that favor, help this channel to grow by clicking on that subscription button. Like and share this video so that it can get to YouTube, get to recommend it to other larger audience. And also drop comment on any video that you want me to do, anything you want to learn, and I will do videos based on that for you in our next video. Thank you very much for staying this long with me. Bye for now.